Hey guys, this is Alex Dibison, and this is the second video in a series of videos detailing the view competition of a property feature for the BreazeHome 4.0 web application. Now in the previous video we went over a brief introduction about the feature, and in this video we'll be mostly going over how users can actually use this feature on the BreazeHome web application, and how developers can also develop further functionality for this feature. Now, if you have any questions with regards to anything discussed in this video, please feel free to contact me. I will be displaying my contact info at the end of the video, and if you have any questions about the BreazeHome project as a whole, please feel free to contact Professor Masood Sajadi, who is acting as both the product owner and mentor for the BreazeHome 4.0 project. So, the viewing competition for a property feature can be used by either registered or non-registered users. Simply just navigate to a property of interest, and right now I'm navigating as an unregistered user. Choose a property, so we'll choose this one over here. And we can already see the total and weekly views for this property. And this view count is available to both registered and non-registered users. It doesn't matter, you don't have to make an account to actually be able to use this feature. It's a very straightforward feature to use. There's nothing that the user needs to actually interact with. It's just information available for the user if they want it. So, as a developer trying to create new functionality for the viewing the competition for property feature, it's fairly straightforward on the front end side. It's the back end that can get a little tricky, but there are only a couple of locations that you really need to focus your attention on. If you're going to be storing any data into the database, always make use of the models.py file, and since the viewing data is related to property, all this is in the real estate folder. So if you're going to be creating new tables to store new information for the viewing competition for property, it should be done in this models.py that's in the real estate folder. Furthermore, once you want to actually create a view for this model, it should be done in this views.py file, which is also located in the real estate folder. And it's as simple as just creating the class, serializer for that class, and making a get request. And if need be, also a put request as well. And that's pretty much it for the developer guide for the viewing competition for a property feature for the BreazeHome 4.0 application. There's really not a lot to go over. All you need to remember is that any new views that you register for the real estate views.py file, that whenever you make a new view and you actually want to access it from the front end, you need to register that view to the Breeze URL. So if you see this property update count view set, this has been registered in the url.py file. You can see it's been registered right here. So whenever from the front end I make a call with this update views tag, it knows to actually access this model view. In fact, if you look at the back end right here, this is the call that's made whenever I want to update the view count and increment them and get the new viewing data. Alright, it's that simple. So make sure that whenever you make a new model and you make a new view for that model, that you also need to register a tag for that in the url.py file in the Breeze folder. And that's pretty much all you need to know for the developer guide portion for the viewing competition for property feature for the BreazeHome 4.0 web application. Once again, if there are any questions about anything that's been discussed in this video, please feel free to contact me at my email listed right here, or you can also reach me through my LinkedIn account right here. I have various forms of contact info on my LinkedIn account. And if you have any questions about the BreazeHome project as a whole, please feel free to contact Professor Masood Sajadi. His email is listed here as well.